Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing good. Today we are going to learn how to install MySQL. Here, first go to your Google Chrome and just type MySQL and click enter. So once you click enter, the page will be visible here. Here you might find mysql.com and near to that you will be having downloads. So just click downloads. When you click downloads, this page would be visible. What should you do is just scroll down and there will be MySQL Community Edition. I hope it is visible. So MySQL Community GPL downloads. So click this one. So when you click it, so this page will be visible. That is MySQL Community downloads. Here you will be having like MySQL router, shell, operator, and workbench and all those things. You need not install all these things separately. So instead of that, in order to download everything together, we'll go here. That is MySQL installer for Windows. I hope it is visible. So click it. When you click it, so here you'll be having select version. Here there 8.0.46. This is the updated version. So you need not change anything. And then here select operating system. It is already Microsoft Windows. You need not change anything there. Here you will be having two things like Microsoft, that is Windows for 32-bit, and the other one is also Windows for 32-bit. So select the second one, that is nothing but 565.9M and click download. So once when you click download, you will get this page, that is login or sign up. So you need not give anything. You can just give no thanks, just start my download. So when you click it, so it will be downloaded here. So I'll stop it because I have already downloaded it. So you can start once after you download it. So I'm going to click it, preparing download. We'll wait for it. I hope my screen my screen is not visible to you. So I'll just give yes and start my download. We'll wait for it to download. Yeah, is this visible? Yes, choosing a setup type. Here it would be server only. What you're going to do is choose custom. You're going to choose custom and then give next. So when you give next, it will ask you to select MySQL server. So select MySQL server, click the plus button. Once again MySQL server and the plus button again. So when you see, you have to choose this. That is the MySQL server 8.0.46. That is the updated version. And click this green. That is the right arrow. So it will be moved to the other side. And then now go to the application. Here you will be having the workbench. So click the plus again. Once again. Here you will be having MySQL workbench 8.0.47. So click the right arrow again. Again go to MySQL shell. Click the plus again. Here also you are going to select MySQL 8.0.46 and click the right arrow. So that's it. These are all the three things, that is MySQL server, MySQL workbench and MySQL shell. These three things should be selected and give next. Yes, when you give next, it asks for path conflicts. You can just give next. Yes, it is. I hope it is visible. Now just give execute. We will wait for it to get executed. So once after all these three got selected, that is the tick mark, you can just give next. So when you give next, it asks for product configuration. All those things you can just give next. Then you will be getting the type and networking. Here the port is 3306. You need not do anything, just give next. And in the authentication, everything you give just next. Here it will ask you to set a password. So remember that whenever you go into this SQL workbench or something, it always asks for password. So just give a password which you can remember. I'll just give a 4-digit password. So just not accepting. So it is not accepting. I'll give something else. So it shows the password strength is weak, no issues. I'll give next. Here I'm not going to select anything. I will just give next. Everything okay, no issues. Just give next. And then apply configuration. When you give execute, all the things will be executed. So wait for it to get executed. So once after everything is done, just give finish. Give next. Just give finish. Wait for a while. You can wait for a while for the workbench to be opened. I hope the workbench is clear now. So it has given that welcome to MySQL workbench. What should you do is you just scroll down. You will find that MySQL connections. So just click it. When you click it, it will ask for a password. So you have set a password before. So enter the same password here. And then just click OK. When you click OK, there will be an interface. What should you do is, you have to just type show databases. So why I am doing this is to check whether I have installed everything properly or not. So when I enter it, it gives me the database which is present there. So this means that you have installed everything correctly. Thank you.